Imagine opening an online shop where you don't have to pack, ship, or manufacture anything, yet you still make money while you sleep. That's exactly what happens when you sell digital products on Etsy, and thanks to AI, you don't even need to be a designer to get started. In this video, I'll show you how complete beginners are using AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create stunning digital products, list them on Etsy, and build a passive income stream, with zero inventory, no physical shipping, and no complicated setup. I'll break down real examples, a step-by-step guide, tools you need, and how to go from idea to first sale. Fast. You're watching Money Strategies with Prince. Subscribe and like this video if you're ready to turn smart tools into smart income. Why Etsy? And why digital products? Etsy isn't just for handmade jewelry anymore. Over 95 million active buyers now use Etsy for everything from wedding templates and planners to resumes and wall art. And digital products are the easiest way to start. Why? No shipping, no inventory, no packaging, 100% profit after fees. Sell the same item an unlimited number of times. It's truly passive income, especially when AI handles the hard parts like content writing, formatting, and design. What digital products can you sell? With AI tools, the possibilities are endless. Some high-demand, beginner-friendly options include planners and journals, fitness trackers, budget planners, wall art, motivational quotes, nursery prints, minimalist posters, workbooks, habit trackers, goal-setting worksheets, social media templates, Instagram carousels, Pinterest pins, digital resumes and business cards, educational printables for students, teachers, or parents, wedding or event invitations. Don't worry, you don't need to be an artist. You just need the right prompt, a clear idea, and Canva. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to plan and generate content. Let's say you want to create a self-care journal. Open ChatGPT and use a prompt like, generate a 30-day self-care journal outline with daily prompts, affirmations, and weekly reflections. Boom. ChatGPT gives you structure, page titles, ideas, and even motivational quotes. Want a budget planner instead? Change the prompt. It's that easy. You can also ask ChatGPT to create content for your Etsy description, write SEO titles and tags, generate email templates for follow-up buyers, come up with bundle ideas to increase sales. Step 2. Use Canva AI to design your product. Now take that outline and open Canva. Search for templates like journal, planner, or worksheet. Canva has thousands of ready-made layouts you can customize. Use Canva's AI tools, Magic Write for quick text generation, text to image to create unique illustrations, Brand Kit to apply colors and fonts consistently. Just drag, drop, and edit the content from ChatGPT. You can easily create a professional-looking digital product in 1 to 2 hours, even if you have zero design experience. Export it as a PDF. That's your digital product. Step 3. Set up your Etsy shop. If you don't have an Etsy shop yet, here's what to do. 1. Sign up at etsy.com. 2. Create a shop name, something related to your niche like Print Bliss or Zen Templates. 3. Add a logo and banner. Canva can help you make one. 4. Connect your payment method. 5. Start creating listings. Etsy charges just 20 cents per listing, plus a small transaction and payment fee per sale. Step 4. Create a winning listing. This is where most sellers fail, so pay attention. Your listing must be optimized for search and conversion. Use ChatGPT to help with this. Prompt. Write a high-converting Etsy listing title and description for a 30-day self-care digital journal. You'll get SEO-friendly titles, a clear benefits-driven product description, tag suggestions. You can use up to 13. Make sure your mockups look amazing. Use Canva to show how your product will look printed, on a tablet, or in a real-world setting. Bonus tip. Use Smartmockups.com for realistic previews. Step 5. Promote your product for free. You don't need to run ads, at least not in the beginning. Start with Pinterest. Design 5 to 10 eye-catching pins per product and link to your Etsy page. Instagram Reels. Use Canva to turn product features into short videos. TikTok. Show behind the scenes of your design process. Facebook groups. Join relevant groups. Wedding planning, budgeting, parenting. And share helpful content. Plus soft sell your product. Etsy SEO. Add 13 relevant tags, a clear title, and strong keywords in your description. Pro tip: use 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐿.com or Marmalade to research Etsy keywords. Real case study, beginner example. A beginner named Lila created a mom planner bundle using ChatGPT plus Canva. She listed it on Etsy for $6.99. She made 12 sales in the first month, then bundled 3 products together for $14.99. Within 60 days, she made over $220 with zero ad spend. Her top tools? ChatGPT for journaling prompts, Canva for layout, and Pinterest for traffic. No design degree, no followers. Tips to maximize your Etsy earnings. 1. Bundle your products, sell multiple planners or themes together, and charge more. 2. Offer seasonal versions. Holiday-themed planners or printable gifts do well. 3. Create a product line. If one journal sells well, create a matching workbook, tracker, and printable stickers. 4. Run a flash sale. Etsy lets you offer coupons and deals. 5. Ask ChatGPT for upsell ideas. Prompt: give me 5 complimentary digital products to bundle with a gratitude journal. Mistakes to avoid: using copyrighted content. Only use royalty-free graphics or AI-generated ones. Not testing your product. Make sure the PDF opens properly and is easy to use. Ignoring reviews. Respond to feedback and improve your products. Focusing only on one product. Most shops need at least 5 to 10 listings to get traction. Keyword stuffing. Don't overload your title with keywords, it looks spammy. How much can you earn? Most Etsy beginners earn between $50 to $300 per month in their first 60 days. As you add more listings, improve your designs, and rank in search, sellers can reach $1,000 plus per month in digital sales consistently. Some Etsy digital product stores even scale to $5,000 to $10,000 per month using email lists, seasonal promotions, and TikTok traffic. And since it's digital, your costs stay close to zero. Selling digital products on Etsy is one of the fastest and easiest ways to earn passive income using AI. You don't need to be an expert. With ChatGPT and Canva, you can go from idea to income without stress. Whether you want to create planners, art prints, or resume templates, the tools are now in your hands. All it takes is one good idea, one product, and one customer to get started. The best part? It keeps earning, even when you're sleeping. If you found this breakdown helpful, like this video and subscribe to Money Strategies with Prince for more step-by-step guides on how to earn with AI. Which digital product would you love to create and sell on Etsy? Let me know in the comments. I'll help you refine it.